Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm Hamza and these are my teammates.
Hi, I'm Edanto. I'm Junhee. I'm Howard.
We
are from ISIC-WOU24.
Today I would like to share with you our awesome advanced recycling robot. Nowadays, a lot of people are reluctant to work in dirty environments, so we decided to develop this robot to help optimize the entire recycling process and replace traditional methods. This advanced recycling robot can help people create a safer working environment by reducing the risk of getting hurt from sharp and harmful objects to prevent exposure from hazardous conditions that can cause diseases.
Our objective is to allow workers to work remotely from dirty environments, to ease the workers' job by sorting trash to 4 different types such as paper, plastic, cans, and glass, and to make environmental safety awareness practices such as educating children how important it is to protect the environment.
With ARR, we can have the benefits such as it can segregate trash in order. Besides that, it can save human energy. Lastly, and most important benefit is it can reduce pollution from harmful rubbish. So, with the benefits above, we will have a safer and cleaner world with less human effort.
Sadly, nothing is perfect. This robot still requires a lot of money to purchase and integrate the robotic system, software, and train the worker. Besides that, this robot still requires human monitoring and control at an initial stage because trash has many kinds and shapes.
By making this robot, we hope that we are able to save the hassle for the workers and to mitigate the risk of injuries. If everybody has a discipline for doing these environmental safety awareness practices, we hope that we are able to promote a much more cleaner and greener world.
This is how our advanced recycling robot works.
Yeah.